In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Drive in dark mode on your desktop. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to access Google Drive. Open your favorite web browser and type in drive.google.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your account details. Once you're all set up and looking at your Google Drive home screen, we can move to the next step. Now, take a look at the upper right corner of your screen. There, you should see a small gear icon, which is your settings button. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will open a new window with various options. In this settings window, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. This is where all the different settings are categorized. Look for the section labeled Appearance. Click on that to explore your options for customizing how Google Drive looks. Within the Appearance options, you'll notice a few settings. The one we want to focus on is the dark mode. Find the setting labeled Dark and click on it. As soon as you select this option, you'll see the entire interface immediately transform from a bright theme to a darker, more muted theme. It's much easier on the eyes, especially if you're working in low light conditions or for extended periods. And just like that, you're enjoying Google Drive in a sleek, dark mode. It really can change the way your workspace feels, making it more comfortable and stylish. Now, if for any reason you decide that you want to revert these changes and go back to the original lighter look, don't worry. The process is just as simple. You will repeat the steps we just went through. Start by accessing the gear icon again, and then go back to the settings menu. Click on Appearance once again. This time, instead of selecting dark, choose either light or device default. Whichever you prefer will instantly switch your Google Drive back to its original theme or to a settings default based on your device. And that's it. You've now learned how to easily toggle between dark and light modes in Google Drive on your desktop. It's a straightforward process, and I hope this helps make your experience with Google Drive more enjoyable. If you liked what you saw today, don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks just like this. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Google Drive.